Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is indeterminate forms of limit. Means first of all we will know about the what is the indeterminate form. Indeterminate form means if there is a function fx and a point x is equal to, if a function fx gives the value 0 by 0 form, infinite by infinite form, 0 into infinite form, infinity minus infinite form, 0 to the power 0, 1 to the power infinite, 0 to the power infinite, infinite to the power 0, then we can say that fx is said to be, we can say that fx is said to be indeterminate, indeterminate, indeterminate at x is equal to a, means a function which gives these forms at a given value, at a certain value, a function which gives these forms at a certain value, then we can say that the function is the indeterminate at x is equal to, suppose there is a function fx and at x is equal to a, it will give 0 by 0 or infinite by infinite, 0 into infinite. In this form a function is given, then we can say that fx is the indeterminate at x is equal to a. We have to study only two forms, 0 by 0 and infinite by infinite. In our reduced syllabus only two forms we have to study, 0 by 0 and infinite by infinite. Now let us take some example. If I write fx is equal to sin x upon x and we have to find x is equal to 0, find the value of fx at x is equal to 0, what we will get? Sin 0 upon 0 means 0 by 0, means in this way we can say that this function is the indeterminate, this function is the indeterminate at x is equal to 0. Let us take another example. If fx is equal to log x upon cot x and we have to find out the value of fx at x is equal to 0, then the value of log 0 infinite and cot 0 is also infinite, means it is also in the form of indeterminate form, means we can say that fx is indeterminate at x is equal to 0. This is the indeterminate form which we have to study. Means what is the indeterminate form? Means a function which gives these type of forms at a certain value, then we can say that the function is indeterminate at that given value. now how we will remove the indeterminate form, कैसे हम indeterminate form को remove करेंगे? उसके लिए हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं एल हॉस्पिटल rule. This is the L hospital rule we have to use to remove the indeterminate form, means to make the function indeterminate function. Determinate form, L hospital rule is used to convert the indeterminate form to determinate form. Means how we will use, what is the L hospital rule? When a given function, let us, we have already taken example fx is equal to sin x upon x, means we have to limit of, we have to use, we have to convert this function at x is equal to 0, means this is at x is equal to 0 by 0. Now using L hospital rule, means L hospital rule means differentiate the numerator and denominator separately. कैसे हम लोग एल हॉस्पिटल रूल यूज़ करते हैं? हम लोग न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को सेपरेटली हम लोग डिफ्रेंशिएट करते हैं, ना कि कोसेंट रूल लगा के, और तब तक हम एल हॉस्पिटल रूल यूज़ करते हैं, तब तक यूज़ करते हैं जब तक वो हमारा फॉर्म डिटर्मिनेंट फॉर्म में ना हो जाए, तब तक हम लोग एल हॉस्पिटल रूल यूज़ करते हैं. 0 बाई 0 और इनफाइनाइट बाई इनफाइनाइट फॉर्म को रिमूव करने के लिए हम लोग एल हॉस्पिटल रूल यूज़ करते हैं. एंड इन आवर सिलेबस ओनली वी हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट form 0 by 0 and infinite by infinite. Let us take few example to understand these two topics very clearly. This is a example. Find the value of limit x tends to pi by 4 1 minus 10x cos 2x. Before solving this limit, first of all we will put this value in these two functions, these two trigonometric functions, to check whether the given function is indeterminate or determinate. If we put pi by 4 1 minus 10x, then 1 minus 10 pi by 4, and what is the value of 10 pi by 4 is 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, and cos 2x, cos 2 into pi by 4 will give pi by 2. It is also give means 0 by 0, means this function is in which form? Means we can say that solution limit x tends to pi by 4 1 minus 10x upon cos 2x. This is the form 0 by 0, because when we put this value here and here, it will give this form 0 by 0. And what we will do to remove this form? We will apply which rule? Applying L hospital Hospital's rule. To remove the indeterminate form, we will use L hospital rule. And what is the L hospital rule? To differentiate the numerator and denominator separately. Let us take limit x tends to pi by 4 differentiate d by dx 1 minus 10x upon d by dx cos 2x. Now differentiate it. Limit x tends to pi by 4, this will give us 0 minus sec square x upon minus sin 2x into 2. Again minus minus cancel. Again check it at x is equal to pi by 4, that this given trigonometric equation in determinant form or indeterminate form. If we will put sec pi by 4, if we will put x is equal to pi by 4, then what is the value of sec pi by 4? Root 2. Means we can write root 2 the whole square upon sin 2x pi by 4. Pi by 2 is 1 into 2. Means we can say here taking limit, this will give us sec square pi by 4 upon sin 2 into sin pi by 2, and it will give root 2 the whole square upon 2, and it will 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Means we will apply L hospital rule till the given function is become डिटर्मिनेंट फॉर्म. मीन्स एल हॉस्पिटल तब तक हमको अप्लाई करना है जब तक वो इनडिटर्मिनेंट फॉर्म हमारा डिटर्मिनेंट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट ना हो जाए. डिटर्मिनेंट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए एल हॉस्पिटल रूल लगाएंगे. या कैसे चेक करेंगे कि वो एल हॉस्पिटल की वो डिटर्मिनेंट फॉर्म है कि इनडिटर्मिनेंट फॉर्म है? सबसे पहले जो भी लिमिट की वैल्यू दी होगी एक्स टेंस टू पाई बाई 4, एक्स की वैल्यू जिधर जाती हुई दिखेगी वो वैल्यू उठा के हम फंक्शन में पुट करेंगे. अब चेक करेंगे कि वो 0 बाई 0 के फॉर्म में है कि इनफाइनाइट बाई इनफाइनाइट के फॉर्म में. अगर ऐसा कुछ है तो एल हॉस्पिटल रूल अप्लाई करेंगे. एक बार एल हॉस्पिटल रूल लगाने के बाद फिर चेक करेंगे. अगर डिटर्मिनेंट फॉर्म हो गया तो लिमिट वहाँ से लेके उसको सॉल्व कर देंगे. अदरवाइज अगेन एल हॉस्पिटल रूल अप्लाई करेंगे. टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. लिमिट थीटा टेंड्स टू 0 e टू द पावर थीटा प्लस e to the power minus theta plus 2 cos theta minus 4 whole upon theta cube. First of all we will check either this limit is in determinant form or determinant form. How we will check? Put the theta is equal to 0 in this place of theta. Now e to the power 0 plus e to the power minus 0 plus 2 cos 0 minus 4 upon 0. E to the power 0 will give us 1, e to the power minus 0 also give us 1, plus 2 minus 4 is equal to 0 by 0. Means this equation in the form of, in which form? 0 by 0 form. What we will apply to remove this form? Applying L hospital rule here. Then limit theta tends to 0 d by d theta e to the power theta plus e to the power minus theta plus 2 cos theta minus 4 whole upon d by d theta theta cube. Differentiate limit theta tends to 0. What is here? Differentiation of e to the power theta will give us e to the power theta, e to the power minus theta give us e to the power minus theta, and cos theta will give us minus 2 sin theta minus 4 constant का 0 upon 3 theta square. Again we will check either it will become in determinant form or indeterminate form. Put theta is equal to 0 here, here and here. Now e to the power 0, e to the power 0 2 sin 0 means sin 0 की वैल्यू 0 होती है, e to the power minus 0 की वैल्यू is 1, 1 minus 1 minus 2. What will give us? What will give us? It will give us if e1 minus 1 minus 0 upon 0, it is also 0 by 0. अगेन दिस फॉर्म इज 0 में आई 0. अभी भी ये फॉर्म क्या है 0 बाई 0 के फॉर्म में है. थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 पुट करने पे हमने ये देखा कि अभी भी ये 0 बाई 0 फॉर्म है. नेक्स्ट अगेन वी विल अप्लाई एल हॉस्पिटल रूल मीन्स अगेन अप्लाइंग एल हॉस्पिटल rule. Now again differentiate it. You can differentiate directly. There is no need to write this step. Let us differentiate it directly. Differentiation of e to the power theta, e to the power theta, it will give us again e to the power minus theta and minus 2 cos theta upon this will give us 6 theta. Again we will check it by putting the theta is equal to 0 here. It will give e to the power 0 1, e to the power minus 0 plus 1 minus 2 upon 0. अगेन स्टिल इट इज़ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 0 बाई 0. अभी भी ये 0 बाई 0 के फॉर्म में है. अगेन वी विल अप्लाई एल हॉस्पिटल रूल. फिर एल हॉस्पिटल रूल लगाएंगे. अगेन वी विल अप्लाई एल हॉस्पिटल रूल. देन लिमिट थीटा टेंस टू 0 e to the power theta minus e to the power minus theta minus plus 2 sin theta upon 6. Now we will check again by putting the theta is equal to 0 here. It will give 1, it will give minus 1 plus 0 upon 6. 0 by 6 it will give 0 means here we will get the limit. We have converted into the determinant form. From here we will take the limit. Now we will write taking limit. What we will get e to the power 0 minus e to the power minus 0 plus 2 sin 0 upon 6 and it will give us 0 and this will be your answer. Means we have to differentiate numerator and denominator. Till then we will get the determinant form of that given indeterminate form. मतलब तब तक उसके हम एल हॉस्पिटल रूल अप्लाई करेंगे, तब तक उसके न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे जब तक वो डिटर्मिनेंट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट ना हो जाए. Again let us take one more example. Limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x. We have to solve this equation. First of all we will check by putting x is equal to 0 is in this function. Means sin 0 upon 0 means this is the form of, in which form, 0 by 0. Means what we will do to remove this form, applying L Hospital rule. And what is the L Hospital rule? By differentiating numerator and denominator separately. Now limit x tends to 0. What is the differentiation of sin x? Cos x upon differentiation of x is 1. Means what we will get, x is 0 1 means here we have removed the 0 by 0 form and it will become limit. Means we have found the limit now by taking limit. What we will get, cos 0 upon 1 and it will give 1 by 1, it is equal to 1 and this will be answer. In this way you can solve more questions on based on 0 by 0 form. Now let us take few example which is based on infinite by infinite form. This is the another question we have to solve. Only the purpose of solving this question, first of all we have to check either the given क्वेश्चन और इनडिटर्मिनेंट फॉर्म और डिटर्मिनेंट फॉर्म. सबसे पहले जो भी लिमिट दिया हुआ है वो x टेंस टू जो भी दिया हुआ उसको हम पुट करके यहाँ चेक करेंगे कि वो डिटर्मिनेंट फॉर्म में है कि इनडिटर्मिनेंट फॉर्म. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल पुट x इज इक्वल टू इन्फाइनाइट हियर, log इन्फाइनाइट अपॉन x टू द पावर इन्फाइनाइट टू द पावर एंड इट विल गिव अस in which form, log infinite is infinite and infinite का power n, that will give us also infinite. Means this equation is also in the form of infinite by infinite. Also we will do in the same process as we have done previous questions. Now applying L Hospital rule. L hospital rule. In some books it is written only hospital rule, means L hospital rule or hospital rule, both are same. L hospital rule. What is L hospital rule? Differentiate it. We can differentiate it directly. Limit x tends to 0. What is the differentiation of log x? That is 1 by x upon x to the power n give us n x n to the power n minus 1. Okay. Now what we will do? Check it again. What is the value of this? Sorry, this is the x tends to the power infinite. Now what is the value? We put here infinite. 1 by infinite will give us 0, and here what? See what we will do here. Here we can write L limit x tends to infinite 1 by x upon n x to the power n into 1 by x, and send this x up into numerator, and it will give us limit x tends to infinite 1 by x into x upon n x to the power n. X cancel, and the new limit x tends to infinite 1 upon n x to the power n. First we will check either it is indeterminate for determinant form. Putting x is equal to infinite here, then x infinite to the power n will give us infinite, and 1 by infinite it will give us 0. Means we can write here 0. This will be your answer. Now let us take one more example. Limit determinant limit x tends to pi by 2 tan x whole upon tan 3x. Means first of all what we will do, we will put x is equal to pi by 2 in place of x and x. Then what is the value of 10 by pi by 2? 10 pi by 2 will give infinite, and tan 3 pi by 2 also give us infinite. Means this question is first in the form of infinite by infinite. Now we will apply the L hospital rule. Then limit x tends to pi by 2, and differentiation of tan x will give us sec square x, and differentiation of tan 3x will give us 3 sec square 3x. Okay. Again check here. X is equal to pi by 2. Put here sec pi by 2. What is the value of sec pi by 2? Sec pi by 2 and sec pi by 2 cos pi by 2 is equal to 0, and sec pi by 2 will give us infinite. Means also this is in the form of infinite by infinite, or you can convert it. Limit first is converted. Limit cos square 3x upon cos square x. Means cos square 3x upon 3 cos square x. Now you can solve, and you will see it. This equation will be in the form of 0 by 0. Again apply the which form? L hospital rule, and you will give what you will get. Limit x tends to infinite 2 cos 3x into sin 3x into 3 upon 3 cos x. 3 cos x means 3 cos square x means 3 into 2 cos x into sin x. Minus minus cancel. 2 cos x sin x will give us what? 2 cos x sin with 3, so 3 cancel, and we will get here what? We will get limit x tends to infinite 2 cos 3x sin 3x will give us sin 6x, नीचे sin 2x, because sin 2x is equal to what is the formula? 2 sin x cos x. Now we will put again here sin infinite upon infinite. Means we will put here, it will be pi by 2 now. This will be pi by 2, not pi infinite. We will put here sin pi by 3. What is the value of sin pi by 3? 3 pi. What is the value of 3 pi? If we put 6 pi by 2, and it will give 3 pi and 2 pi. Sin pi की वैल्यू क्या होती है? 0 होती है. Means it is also again 0 by 0 फॉर्म. ये अभी भी 0 by 0 के फॉर्म में होगा. जब pi by 2 उठा के यहाँ रखेंगे तो क्या देगा? 0 by 0 फॉर्म देगा. Again we will apply L hospital rule, and it will give L x tends to pi by 2 in sin 6 cos 6x upon 2 cos 2x. Again we will put cos pi, what we will get, cos cos 6 into pi by 2 एंड 3 पाई. कॉस पाई की वैल्यू क्या होती है, -1. मीन्स मल्टीपल ऑफ पाई में होगा, एन पाई का मल्टीपल होता है तो वैल्यू क्या होती है, -1. तो कॉस 3 पाई की वैल्यू क्या होगी, -1. मीन्स वी विल टेक द लिमिट, वी विल गेट 6/2 इंटू -1 अपॉन -1 एंड इट विल गिव अस व्हाट, 3. दिस विल बी योर आंसर. In this way you can solve more question based on 0 by 0 form and infinite by infinite form, and in this way you have complete chapter number 9, and this is, I hope it is clear to all of you.